asked three questions. Anuradha Tiwari ji, Dr. Neha Das, they want to answer, but can you please allow me to bring in Vivek Srivastava, because the moment you started speaking, he was opposing it. Boliye, sir.
Yes. You see, reservation is not just about economics; it is about a social change. इनके जो अभी ये I do not know how many number of
how
followers.
will it bring social change? 1 minute, Vivek Srivastava. How will it bring social change?
Sir, प्राइवेट सेक्टर में रिजर्वेशन लाएंगे.
How will reservation bring social change? Even 1 minute, sir. If your child gets a reservation, gets entry through a quota, he becomes something. The next generation will continue to take a reservation and quota, like is happening. That is the whole creamy layer debate. So what will change? Nothing will change.
दुनिया पहले सब बदला है, बहुत कुछ बदला है. एक आईएएस दलित आज बैठता है, आपको उसके साथ बैठना पड़ेगा, पानी पीना पड़ेगा, यस सर भी कहना पड़ेगा.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पानी भी पीना पड़ेगा, खाना भी. कहां चले जाए विवेक श्रीवास्तव? इसमें एक्सपोज हो जाएंगे आप, जैसे आप मंदिर पे हुए थे. आप बोलिए ना, विच आर द पार्टीज? आस्क मनोज यादव टू हैव रिजर्वेशन इन. उनको बोल दीजिए मंदिर में ले आए. अश्विनी जी को बोलिए मंदिर में ले आए रिजर्वेशन. अश्विनी जी, आप म्यूट है सर. म्यूट, मेरिट को म्यूट कैसे कर सकते हैं हम?
प्रणेश, हाय, गुड इवनिंग टू योर व्यूअर्स एंड फेलो पैनलिस्ट. प्रणेश, मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि आप इस डिस्कशन को किस डायरेक्शन लेना चाहते हैं. आर यू डिबेटिंग दिस टॉपिक जस्ट फॉर टीआरपी or politically publicizing it? I don't understand what direction you're taking, because
which direction? No, 1 minute, Ashwini ji, which direction do you want? No, which direction do you want to travel? आप जो आ जाते हैं शो पे, आप कौन से दिशा में जाना चाहते हैं? मैं आपके साथ चलता हूं. बताइए, आपको जबरदस्ती तो नहीं बिठाया है? Are you here by force?
नहीं,
you agreed to sit, right? कौन से दिशा में आप जाना चाहते हैं, उसी दिशा में लेके जाऊंगा, लेकिन सवाल का जवाब हर दिशा में देना पड़ेगा. बच नहीं सकते आप.
I will. I'm not running away. I'm not running away. And I don't, I partially support few of the opinions here, and I partially don't support everything said by everyone, right? Because I'll have my own opinion. And the point here is, why reservation is there on the first place, we need to understand that. I think Anuradha said very good thing, that people are fighting for this because there are not enough opportunities. Should we not blame government for enough opportunities? Is that not a topic of debate? Because
yes, let's blame governments.
Yes, whenever Tushar Gupta speaks, he make it so much political that he start giving clean chit to BJP and start questioning Congress intent on the reservation.
नहीं, एक मिनट अश्विनी जी, तुषार गुप्ता के क्लीन चिट देने से, क्लीन चिट अगर हो जाता तो तुषार फिर 400 पार करा देते ना. तुषार नहीं करा सकते. He is also a scholar. He speaks his mind. Now you can on many things you can have a difference of opinion. You counter him in facts. Why are you linking Tushar Gupta to BJP? वो अपना एनालिसिस है उनका, आप कीजिए. You represent the Congress party. Tushar doesn't represent the BJP.
I am trying to counter him, and he does represent BJP, because whenever he speaks of language of BJP. He might write himself as a political analyst, but he represents BJP 200%. And the example he has given, that Congress put up a reservation in private sector in the in manifesto, I guess. He did not give the entire picture. Even BJP's SC/ST Morcha passed the resolution to have a reservation in private sector, and Congress, Jairam Ramesh, clearly told that UPA is not in favor of bringing a reservation.
You are right about that. Yes. Political parties have done that trial and error to test waters. वो बीच-बीच में बोलते रहते हैं, one more than the other. Now, Tushar, quick response, and I bring in Dr. Neha.
Ashwani ji, why be scared of owning up what's written in your own manifesto? Page on social justice, point number 23, Congress will establish a diversity commission that will measure, monitor and promote diversity in public and private employment and education. आपके उसी manifesto पे पन्ने पे ये भी लिखा है that you will pass a constitutional amendment to raise the 50% cap on reservations for SC, ST and OBC. आपका manifesto पढ़ रहा हूं मैं, आपकी पार्टी का 2 साल पहले आया है. डर क्यों रहे उसको own up करने से? बोलिए, गर्व से लिखा है. Why you scared? Don't blame me. It's your manifesto, your party. Why you scared?
बोलिए अश्विनी जी, बोलिए.
Whatever you have, every single word you read out, and this was part of her manifesto. But why are you painting a picture like we are the bad people and BJP is the good people? Everyone want to bring in social justice.
नहीं सर, social justice तो बहाना है ये सब. This is about vote bank. All political parties only want votes. ये truth है. ये सच्चाई है। मैं मान लीजिए आप